Yes, SE family, I hope you guys are well. Guys, I want to show you some fantastic mug ideas that you can get into right now. I'm going to show you some recent listings that are making some fantastic cash. Actually came on making that cash real quick so you can do exactly the same. So as usual, if you love Etsy products, if you love researching, listing and designing and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to share because we love to share, man. Anyways, let's go. So check it out, man. Look, mugs are very popular on Etsy, as you guys know. Hugely popular. Look at that. 2,600,000 results. Anyways, look, some people say, oh, AJ, they're too saturated, man. They're too saturated. You can't get into mugs, man. You can't get into mugs. What do you mean you can't get into mugs, man? There are niches, sub-niches coming, emerging every single day. Every day there's some stuff emerging. So look. Anybody that tells you it's saturated, it never is, man. It never is. There's always gaps in the market. You just got to find those gems. Find those gems, man. Go and do your work. Don't be lazy. Find those gems. Get that research going. No laziness here. Listen, at the time of doing this video, also, I wanted to tell you something else. Look, gift mode. This is new, right? Check out my breaking news video. I did that already as soon as it came out. So do check it out. And it's about gearing up towards this kind of this algorithm that's kind of looking for the personalized gifts now, right? You remember I spoke about this. You know, Etsy at the time doing this video, doing loads of adverts, trying to push this kind of idea that Etsy is the go-to platform for personalized gifts, that kind of thing. So within your stores, don't forget to kind of move towards that angle, yeah? Don't forget to move towards the angle as in like have listings geared towards personalizations, and very like more for gifts. And don't forget to add them in your title, you know, product description and that kind of thing so that the Etsy algorithm can favor you. That's one big nugget I've just given you. But anyways, look, you know me, science-based is what I love. I love science. There's so many mug ideas out there. It's crazy. But we got to go where the cash is, where the money is. We go where the money is at. So as usual, I'm going to go to my go-to research tool, the one, EVERBEE, the nugget finder, the diamond finder. Check out free access right there. You need something like this if you're going to find those gems. I'm telling you right now. But look, product analytics is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at recent listings, man. I'm not looking at old ones that are coming out just like that and making that cash quickly. And I'm going to look at new stores as well. Recent stores anyway, not new, but recent, very recent. So check it out, man. I'm going to filter after going to product analytics. I'm going to actually specify I want a maximum of a 2-month-old listing. Boom. 2-month-old listing, guys. That's recent, right? Very new. And then I'm going to look at only a 4-month-old store. That's crack-a-lacking. In it. Shop age. Maximum of 4. Yeah? Boom. Okay, now we're cooking. Let's cook. Let's cook, man. Right, I'm going to show you some food, some cash. Now, remember I said this already. I'm looking at 1-month-old listings, man. Okay. So let's get going with this madness, right? Okay, so look, I found this one, right? This is a 2-month-old listing. 2-month-old, making 3,587, right? Obviously, it's a decent idea. Now, this is this cracked mug hole-in-the-wall style that's become a very popular breakthrough style, right? You got 11 ounce, 15 ounce, obviously options. You got this. This is a style that actually can be created through AI, something like MIDJOURNEY, right? What it is it's a design style that's very popular right now. This breakthrough. If you looked at and seen that, there's these snowman ornaments with a breakthrough style. If you type in on Etsy breakthrough mug style, you'll see what I'm talking about. And this is a very popular style. It's a trending one. It's a growing one. I can understand why it's a bookseller, but this one is geared for book lovers too. So book lovers is a good one. And like I said, if you're going to do something like book lovers, and this is something that crosses over many niches. I've spoken about this before. So this can work as print on demand, so that you can hook up Printify and do something like this, where you can create the design and put it straight on Printify. Or this can be like a pure mug wrap. You can sell it as a digital download. 2 options there for you guys. This is a fabuloso one. And then how we verify and make sure that, you know, if this really is a good one, this is what I like to do. I go back on EVERBEE. and then I just type something like book lover, because that's a book lover. It's a book lover sort of mug, right? I'm gonna type in book lover mug. Keep it real simple. Ugh. What's ugh? Mug, right? Book lover mug. Just to give me, just to get some validation. So I type in book lover. I want to type in book lover, right? But look, I'm going to get into the specifics with this. I'm going to go to filter. And I'm going to say I want a keyword of 100. Now, 100 is a very good score. That means that it's not going to be saturated. And obviously, the higher, but the better. So look at this. Yeah. So people, I'm going to just include book lover. Book lover. Some people put it in, they put the words together. I don't know, you know, sometimes they do that. Okay, so look, gifts for book lovers is massive. Look, there you go. There's evidence for you, my book lover gifted. Personal book lovers, personal book lover gift. Gifts for book lovers. There you go. These numbers are crazy. Now, some of them spell it, misspell it, but look, the whole idea is that this keyword is big. People want to get this, right? Book lovers for teachers, book lover gifts, book lover sweatshirts, people are looking for. So I can understand why it's a popular one. Book lovers, the word book lover, gifts for book lovers basically, are a good one to get into. There it is, verified, right? So that is why it's making decent cash. So definitely a good idea to try and get into. And remember that breakthrough style adds that effect to it as well. I'm not sure what this is. Tears of the people that be at Magic. This kind of Magic sort of player mug style. Now here's another personalization one, which people are loving, right? Remember, this is making 2,314, 2-month-old listing, very recent. And again, this astrology, this zodiac mug style is becoming quite big as well. So definitely a niche to look at and get into. Again, you've got options. These are your options. Is a personalized one, which is a fantastic one. You got the gift. Obviously, they look like they got Valentine's Day in there because they're gearing up towards that. But this kind of personalized and this gift, these words are going to really, really help it, because this is what Etsy's algorithm is starting to kind of look at more. You can choose your zodiac sign, cool, and you can choose the quantity, obviously. That's your... and you have a personalization option. Look, wicked. So you get to choose, you got a personalization option. Okay, wicked. So this is pretty good, you know. And you got different sizing. Really nice, cool designs. I really like this one actually. Really nice, cool designs of your zodiac sign, right? Really cool. So really cool, something that you can go and get designed, hook it up to Printify as a pod. Or actually, you know, if you're thinking about digital downloads, then maybe this could be something where you're offering it as a mug wrap, right? You got options there, basically. Just knowing that it's a good one to sell. Look, it's got 20 in a basket. Is it 20 in a basket? Sorry. 20 plus carts, and yeah, bestseller. These are all good signs, guys. All good signs, right? And again, you can go off and, like I showed you with the book lover, go off and verify using keywords whether the zodiac. See, I like science. I don't go guesswork. I want to just make sure that it's going to make money for me before I design it and waste time. That's what you need to do. Don't waste time, guys. Verify, validate. It does make cash. These are recent listings. Look, 2-month-old maximum, making cash already, and that's only going to get better. Don't forget, it's only going to build, guys. These guys are making money in a recent with new stores, so it's only going to make more cash, right? You know, again, this is a 1-month-old listing. It's $984, but can you see? Look, they've this book spine sort of idea. This book related, the bookshelves, book spines. You know, these are making good money. Again, these are doing quite well, making $900, almost $1,000, right? But also the mug style is quite nice as well, and you can add your personalization. It says, please send us a message for the title and author of your chosen books, mate. That's quite good. So that's the personalization elements. A nice idea, but again, it's in that book loving niche, which is quite good. And again, like I keep saying, this is what you do. You need to find those niches, those keywords, the ones that people are actually searching for, because there's so many unsaturated niches that people still haven't found. I'm telling you. And this is what I'm talking about. You got to, and things repeat themselves, you know, like things repeat themselves. Look, there's another listing with that sort of hole through the wall. Anything that you see repeat itself that's making money on recent listings as well is another good sign that it's a good niche to get into. These are all like gems I'm trying to give you guys, right? Remember these, write it down, put it on your phone, do something. Okay, and remember, times of the year are absolutely crucial. Halloween, Christmas, and all of that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cast the net a little bit wider, right? Because I'm going to basically go for slightly older listings rather than 2 months. This is a 3-month-old listing making $28,000, 615 guys. It's absolutely huge and mammoth. And I wanted to show you this because this is a must do if you're going to get into the mug niche or you want to do something for this year, because the personalization pet niche is huge, right? People love this for their mugs. So what you do is you get an image from the customer and then you kind of transform it into a sort of cartoon or drawn style, which you can do with software, and put the name of the pet at the top, right? This is huge. This not only is for mugs, this goes amazingly well for tumblers, it goes well for blankets. People love their pets, people love their dogs, their cats, and they love to produce or buy gifts and buy products for that. So, you know, and this is a perfect example of this. I mean, 20 plus in a cart, 20 plus carts, bestseller, you know, making a massive amount of money, 28,615. So you're definitely going to do mugs. You definitely got to do this. You definitely need to do this. Easy to do. Hook up with Printify. Check out my videos on hooking up with Printify, guys. I've got loads of them. A must do, guys. A must do. Like, you know, it's a no-brainer. Again, guys, here's another one. I mean, it just shows you this one's 14,000. Definitely an older listing, but, you know, shows you newish, 3-month-old. This is one that is like a evergreen. This is one that is going to always be, I believe, something that sells really well. I think the only thing that you need to look at is just to see the kind of mug style. Some mugs are trending with colors inside, for example, or plain white ones. Just check for that. But generally, this style of getting a picture from the customer, changing the photo into a kind of drawn or painted style with the name at the top is a winner always, right? And this just shows you this is another listing, again, making really good cash, you know, really good cash. And I feel like that this is always going to make money, $14,000 a month. Really cool. I wanted to show you this because I really like the idea of this. It was a bestseller. Well, it's a bestseller. Boom. 11 views in the last 24 hours. Even right now, even after Christmas, they're looking at this. But this is a 3-month-old listing, and it was making almost $11,000 per month, 10,903. And it's a very interesting one because what it is it's slightly different geared, but it's a personalized one. So what you do is you can get this mug with a sort of snowman look, which is really nice and cool. And then you get the personalization where you get the name at the bottom of the and you can see it's geared for kids, and it looks like it's geared for kind of hot chocolate more than anything. Let me just have a look at this image. Yeah, it's like more hot chocolate, and you get the name of the child at the bottom. Yeah, so slightly different, but again custom, again personalized mug design geared for Christmas. So definitely think about those personalized Christmas ones, Halloween ones, Easter ones, you know. Those kind of things can do very, very well. So look, I mean, I'm going to probably leave it at this sort of idea where these kind of custom ones are always going to make money, you know, whether it be like a photo, like people will send in a photo. So if you're going to get into the mug game, you got to have a personalized photo kind of idea where people can send you a picture and then you upload the photo and make sure that they get that. Make sure they add text. So whether it be like new baby, family photo, wedding photo, there's always that custom element for the mugs. Always seems to do very, very well because people always want that sort of that personalized element with their mugs, right? It definitely always is a winner. It's an evergreen one. So if you're going to get into this, not only for pets, but for family is a really cool one. And these are the things that you really need to think about, because I think for mugs, this is kind of your staple diet, your bedrock, the foundation to your store, where you got these custom photos. I mean, this one's making 7,618. It is an older listing, But these things are, they always seem to be making cash. Whenever I see them, these personalized, uploading the photo, making sure they got the photo, whether it be the baby face, whether it be the custom, whether it be the family photo, whether it be the pet photo, and transformed into a drawing. These are the things that I will definitely, you got to have those listings within your store, because guys, those are making the cash, and they will always make that kind of cash, guys, for mugs. So guys, hope you like the video. There are other things as well that are ideas that are also doing quite well. You got these daily reminding ideas, which is like these affirmation ones. You got these humor. There's a lot of humor sort of video, humor related mindset mugs, which are up and coming. Okay. And I've seen a lot of this. Look at that. On the first page of mugs, you can see that already there's a few mindset, positivity, care, daily affirmations kind of mug designs. There's also those Christian faith Bible verse ones that are also quite good, that are also coming up and doing quite well. Do check out what you'll see what's popular by looking at the first page as well. Look at the first page when you type in mug, and you know, I'm on the first page now, and it gives you just an idea of what's popular, what's a bestseller as well. You can see the bestsellers there, like this crazy cat mugs. But yeah, that's how you find those ideas, but definitely need some kind of tool to help you just extract those keywords, man. Extract those keywords. But yeah, those are some of the ideas that I believe will be very popular and will sell very well for you in the mug niche. I hope you liked the video, and if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.